The best way to dispose of expired or unwanted medicine is to use a drug take-back location. If this isn't an option and your medicine is on the FDA's flush list, flush it down the sink or toilet. If your medicine isn't on the flush list, dispose of it at home by mixing it with an unappealing substance like dirt, cat litter, or used coffee grounds in a sealed plastic bag, and put the sealed bag in your household trash. And scratch out any personal information from the label on the medicine bottle or packaging. For more information and to find a take-back site near you, visit www.fda.gov/drug disposal.